Alright guys, so good morning. So ngayon ongoing na kami para sa aming Ultimax Leadership Convention. So see you mamaya. So abangan nyo yung napakalupit na trainings namin doon sa Tanay, Rizal. Grabe, so first time ko din nag-attend ng ganitong events. So grabe, so abangan nyo, talagang nakaka-excite. So sobrang excited na sa mga malulupit na mga trainings ng ating mga uplines, mentors na sobrang napaka-successful dito sa community natin. So syempre, dapat i-goal mo na next time, hindi ka papayag na hindi ka makakasama. So, see ya! Yan guys, so malapit na kami. So, bakit na kami sa 10 cents to heaven. So yan guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa Binyo na Cents to Heaven. So grabe, so sobrang ganda dito guys. So abangan nyo mamaya. Grabe, so dapat next time kasama ka na. So yun guys, so grabe, sobrang ganda dito. So ito yung view. Yan, ay. Sobrang ganda. Talagang mapapawaw ka. So dapat next time kasama ka natin. Anong masasabi mo na nandito ka sa 10 Cents of Heaven?
Grabe guys, so hindi pa nag-i-start yung activity namin dito. Kakarating lang namin. Ang ganda ng venue. Napag-ilan lang natin. Kaya ikaw, dapat nag-i-start ka na para tayo sa community natin, di ba? Sobrang sarap na lang natin mo ba? Talagang solid. Diba? Iba naman yung dahil.
Sabi mo na nandito ka sa event ng Convention Leadership.
So, grabe ang pakasaya rito!
My message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. Hey, you burn me up, believer.
Sign about accurate. I know the strength that don't come without strategy. I know the speech that don't come without confidence. I know the package just come with some traffic. I start from the basement and back in the attic and third thing third. Whoever coming out this can't go. Let's get mathematic. I'm up in this school.
My message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer.
What's about to happen is Weezy the Dragon. I link with the dragons and we gon' get ratchet. No need for imagining this.